friends, today I'm going to tell you how you can add a PDF file to your WordPress website within a few minutes. So how you need to do it, you need to go to media first and click on add new. Here you need to select your PDF file. This is a PDF file which I am going to upload. Now it is uploaded. You can go to your library. This is a file which I will upload to my website. So I will go to a post and click on add new. You can upload it to any existing post or page as well. Enter the title. Now you can type in here you can then now select the PDF file, select this one, you can type in description, accordingly click on insert. You can see it's showing business mindset. You can see download PDF file. I can make changes in this. Like this. Now it's looking better. Okay, so I can just click on publish. Now let's view the post. Open this post. You can see it's showing like this, download PDF file. I am logged in here, so I will open in a incognito browser or any other browser you can open. So from here you can just click on this and PDF file will open up. From here you can download it from this option and you can just check out the PDF file. It is showing perfectly fine. So now I hope you will be able to do it, and if you still face any problem, just comment below and I will try to resolve your queries. If you find this video helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Thank you.